Hello and welcome back to the probably most important point of today's Pitch Next event, because we want to hand over now the awards for the winners of the Pitch Next event and, of course, the AM Ventures Impact Award. And I'm not going to do that because a few years ago I broke one, so that's why they never let me do that again. But I have somebody here on stage that will do that in a perfect manner. So please give a warm welcome here in the audience and you at home at the live stream for Mr. Arno Held, Managing Partner of AM Ventures. Arno, upsala.
Thank you.
So Arno, we had exciting winners, exciting pitches today. I was quite impressed. So you have the honor to hand over the awards.
Nice.
We're going to start with the Pitch Next Awards for the winners. And the final one will be the combination, because this year is a combination between winner of the Startup Challenge and the AM Ventures Impact Award. So this will be the final one. So, ladies and gentlemen, we repeat this every time. So, the winner of this year's Pitch Next event is Endless Industries. Welcome on stage. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Well deserved.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, please stay on stage because we later on take a group picture. So, and another winner, and the winner for the Pitch Next event is as well Helio Additive. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Hi. Ja. Gut. Freut mich. Herzlichen Glückwunsch.
Yeah, take your time to get a nice picture. Another winner of this year's Pitch Next event is, very well deserved in my opinion, ODEPT, ladies and gentlemen.
Congratulations. Very well deserved. Congratulations. Hi, congratulations. So, who wants it? Here you go.
Another winner of this year's Pitch Next event is Vitro 3D. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Well done. Congratulations. Well deserved.
Thank you so much. The winner of this year's Pitch Next event and at the same time of the AM Ventures Impact Award is Progressia New Materials. Congratulations on that.
Very well done. Congratulations. Very well deserved. Thank you very much for this.
So, well, we want to do a group picture, and therefore I would like to ask a person to the stage who is absolutely responsible for this whole challenge. Without her, I could never do it, because she does a perfect preparation. So a warm hand of applause here in the audience and you at the live stream for Caro Mullers. Caro, good to have you here. We talk anyway. So please, Arno, join the group. Make a group picture of the winners. Big applause for the winners of the
Well done.
next event.
Closer together.
Get a little closer.
What a crowd. Oh, yeah. Awesome. You look great.
I am.
I must be honest, I get jealous now, so. Again, thank you so much, Voxerjet. Thank you so much to industry.com. And thanks, of course, to AM Ventures.